Hey, good morning, troopers. We are at the trailhead of Sumas Mountain. Our hike today is the Sumas Mountain Trail via the Chadsey Lake Loop. The road coming up here is quite rough, so I just want to forewarn everybody. If you guys are coming over here at Sumas Mountain, two-wheel drive can actually make it. We have some troopers who has two-wheel drive, like cars. They were able to make it, but I recommend to bring a 4x4 or a high clearance vehicle if you come over here. So you will eliminate the possibility of getting stuck on the road. Especially on the winter time, I would suggest to bring a 4x4 or a four-wheel drive to come over to Sumas Mountain Trail. It's such a beautiful day today. It is sunny, a little bit of clouds, but hey, what can you ask for if it's already sunny, right? So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Marami naman eh. This is Chadsey Lake. It's frozen right now, but still beautiful. Okay, so troopers, I just want to give you an update on how the trail is. The trail after the lake is going to be on a steep incline, and it's very icy, you guys. Micro spikes is a must. You can't make it without it. It's beautiful, guys. The rocks are covered with ice. It's something different. It's beautiful. We'll see you guys in a bit. Hello there, troopers. So we are now at the summit of Sumas Mountain. Unfortunately, this lookout is obstructed with trees, but there is another lookout where it is not obstructed. So we are planning to go down there, and I'll show you guys in a bit. Hello there, troopers. So that is the main lookout, but there is another lookout down there that is unobstructed. So if you are going to the main lookout or the summit or the peak, this is where you go. So on the left, just turn left, and it's just a minute or two going down. We'll see you in a bit. From the lookout of Sumas Mountain, Abbotsford, troopers out!